Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Not Necessary. In this video, I'm going to explain jumping statements in Python. Okay, so in jumping statements, there are basically three types. One is break, continue, and pass. Okay, so let me explain one by one in depth. Okay, so first of all, like break. So what is break and when we will be using this break? So break is a keyword. Okay, break is a keyword. So when we will be using is like while writing on iterations or loops, at that particular time we'll be using this break. So when we want to exit from the loop or when we want to come out from the loop or iterations, at that particular time we'll be writing this break. So let me give an example for this. Okay, so uh, for for I in for I in range, I want from 1 to 10. Okay, I want from like 0 to 10 or 1 to 10. Now I will be writing if I is equal to 5. Okay, if I is equal to 5, I will break. Okay, else print I. So basically what this code saying is, so I need to print numbers from 0 to 10. Okay, I need to print numbers from 0 to 10. Okay, inside this, if the number, if I is equal to 5, if when the number comes 5 is equal to 5, I need to break this. Okay, if this condition is not satisfied, then else print I. Okay, so now let me check what will be the output of this. So you guys can see this. If there is no break, if there is no break, yeah, so you guys can see here, if there is no break, it prints from 0 to 9. Okay, it prints from 0 to 9. If there is a break up to 5, okay, if there is a break, it will break only for 5. Okay, it starts from 0, right? So 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, yeah, so you guys can understood this about this break. It is used to come out of from come like it come used to come out from the loop or iterations. Okay, this is about the break. Now let me explain about the continue. So basically continue is also a keyword. Okay, this is also a keyword. This is also used in iterations or loop. Basically it is used to skip particular value in the iterations or a loop. Okay, so let me give an example for this also. Okay, let me give a good example for this. The same example so for I in for I in range, let me write 5 for this. Okay, 5, uh, if I is equal to 2, if I is equal to 2, I need to skip this. Okay, else I need to print everything high. Okay, so now you guys can see here, it will print 2, like it will skip 2 here. If I execute, see, it's print from it printed 0 to 5, 0 1, but 2 is not there, 2 has been skipped. Okay, so this is how, like in these situations, like we'll be using this continue statement. Okay, yeah, hope you got my point. Yeah, so coming to next is pass. So pass is also keyword. So pass is nothing but it's a nothing, basically it's a nothing. So if you don't want to use let me give an example. If you don't want to get any error at that particular time, like we'll be using as a pass statement. Let me give an example for this. For suppose I is equal to, oh sorry, I is equal to 1. Okay, if I is equal to 1, I will use while loop here. Okay, so while I is less than or equal to 10, if 1 is less than or equal to 10, I need to if I is equal to 5, then I will write pass. Okay, else I'll be wait, no, no, I'll just print I, print I, and just I will increment it, I plus 1. Yeah, so you guys can see here I said pass is nothing. So like I wrote like if statement, but I don't want to execute anything. In the if statement I don't want to execute anything at that particular time. I wrote pass, so I is equal to 1. I took while loop here. So while I is 1, so 1 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, it is less than or equal to 10. So I entered inside this, inside while loop. So after entering, there is a if loop, if condition, like if I is equal to 5, if 1 is equal to 5, we have to pass this. Means pass means nothing we have to write. Okay, then just we have to print I, and like I plus 1, we have to increment this 1, plus 1 plus 1. Okay, like up to will be getting up to 10, because like we have given 10 right here, so up to 10 we will be getting. Okay, in these situations like we'll be using pass statement. Okay, yeah, hope you guys got this break, continue, and pass statements. Okay, yeah, if you have any doubts, please comment down. Okay, I'll be answering for that. Thank you.